Today on Cooking with Amanda M, I'm making Ropa Vieja, shredded brisket. For this recipe, you'll need brisket, which is FALDA in Spanish, dry white cooking wine, tomato sauce, red and green bell peppers, onion, garlic, bay leaf, complete seasoning, SAZON GOYA packet, cumin, oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and a pressure cooker. You're going to fill the pressure cooker with water about 2 inches above the meat and add salt, a bay leaf, and half of an onion. And you're going to cook for 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes are up, you slowly release the pressure on the pressure cooker. While the meat is still hot, take it out of the pressure cooker and shred it with forks. Add complete seasoning and salt and pepper to taste and mix it all up and repeat one more time. Set the stove to medium-high and drizzle extra virgin olive oil. Then, once it's hot, toss in your onions. Sauté until translucent. Now add the garlic and your green and red bell peppers. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Don't put it away because we'll add more later on. Toss in the meat, and once it's all in the pot, add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and mix together. Add a bay leaf, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Add 1/4 cup of dry white cooking wine, half a packet of SAZON GOYA, mix it in, and then add 1 cup of the beef broth that you cooked your beef in. Now I sprinkle a little bit more of complete seasoning and I add salt and pepper. Turn the heat down to medium-low and simmer for 5 minutes.